Get ready to experience the future of virtual reality like never before. The new HTC VIVE XR Elite is a game changer. Remember the days of playing with cardboard boxes and using your imagination to transport you to different worlds? Well, those days are back, but this time with a whole new level of immersion. The HTC VIVE XR Elite is a virtual reality headset that will transport you to a world beyond your wildest childhood dreams. From exploring the depths of the ocean to climbing the highest mountain, the VIVE XR Elite makes it all possible. Don't miss out on the chance to relive the magic of your childhood and join us in this virtual adventure. If you're interested in the world of the Metaverse, make sure you join MetaGen by subscribing now. We're going to keep you up to date on the latest developments and show you the incredible potential of this digital universe, so don't miss out. The VIVE XR Elite is a powerful, convertible, and lightweight headset that conforms to your face for maximum comfort during extended use. In this video, we'll be diving into the features of the VIVE XR Elite, including its convertibility, performance, and design. We'll also be taking a look at the controllers, how they enhance the VR experience, and the sensors that make the tracking accurate and precise. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the exciting new world of the VIVE XR Elite. The HTC VIVE XR Elite is now available for pre-order at a price of $1,099, making it one of the more high-end, premium-priced VR headsets on the market. However, it's important to note that the VIVE XR Elite is a high-performance, all-in-one XR headset, combining convertibility, portability, and ergonomic design. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for an immersive and comfortable virtual reality experience who is willing to invest in a high-quality device. The VIVE XR Elite's price is reflective of its advanced technology, and all the features that it offers make it stand out from the competition. It's a premium device that offers an unparalleled immersive experience, and the price may be considered worth it for VR enthusiasts and professionals who need the best of the best. One of the standout features of the VIVE XR Elite is its convertibility. It's designed to easily switch between PC-based and standalone VR experiences, giving you the freedom to use it in any environment. It also features a lightweight design that conforms to your face for maximum comfort during extended use. Be sure to pre-order yours today and get ready to experience the future of gaming and entertainment. If you do choose to pre-order it and wait a couple weeks for it to arrive, you'll be greeted with a VIVE box. When you first open the box of the HTC VIVE XR Elite, you'll find everything you need to get started with your new VR headset. Inside, you'll find the VIVE XR headset itself, as well as a battery cradle for convenient charging. You'll also find two controllers, one for each hand, allowing for precise and intuitive controls during gameplay. The package also includes lanyards for attaching the controllers to your wrist and a microfiber pouch for protecting your headset when not in use. The VIVE XR Elite comes with a top strap for additional comfort and support, as well as a Type-C to Type-C cable and two Type-A to Type-C cables for connecting to your PC or other devices. The package also includes a lens protection card for keeping your lenses clean and clear. Finally, you'll also find a documentation including a quick start guide, a safety guide, and a warranty card. With all of these components included in the package, you'll have everything you need to start enjoying your new VIVE XR Elite right out of the box. But probably the most important thing that comes in the box are the glasses themselves. First, if you find this content interesting and you want to learn more about the ever-growing product and market of the VR and Metaverse, make sure to subscribe to MetaGen so you can stay in the loop. The HTC VIVE XR Elite is not just a VR headset, it's an all-in-one XR experience. Its compact and convertible design allows it to transform from a high-performance VR headset to a pair of portable immersive glasses, giving you the freedom to use it in any environment. The VIVE XR Elite features robust graphics performance and high-resolution vivid pass-through capability in a relatively small form factor. It also allows you to personalize your viewing experience with IPD and diopter dials, ensuring maximum comfort during extended use. With the resolution of 1920 by 1920 pixels per eye, or 3840 by 1920 pixels total, the VIVE XR Elite delivers crystal clear visuals and 6 degrees of freedom inside-out tracking, allowing you to move freely and intuitively within virtual environments. The 90Hz refresh rate and a field of view up to 110 degrees provide smooth and immersive gameplay. But all that smooth gameplay wouldn't be possible without some of the other impressive things under the hood. The HTC VIVE XR Elite is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 is a powerful and efficient processor specifically designed for use in virtual and augmented reality devices. It has several features built in that make it well suited for use in VR and AR headsets. The XR2 processor is built on a 7nm process and features 8 cores, providing significant performance boost compared to previous generations. It's designed to be power efficient, which helps to prolong battery life in VR and AR devices and is equipped with a dedicated computer vision processor, allowing for advanced features like hand and body tracking and spatial awareness. Also, it comes with a variety of features specific to virtual and augmented reality, like support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6, and as well as low latency, high-resolution video, and high-resolution audio. It also has ample storage with 128GB of space and 12GB of memory, allowing you to store all your favorite VR content. The VIVE XR Elite is equipped with an array of sensors to provide precise and accurate tracking, featuring 4 cameras, a 16-megapixel RGB camera, and a depth sensor for 6 degrees of freedom inside-out tracking. It also has a G sensor, gyroscope, and proximity sensor for accurate motion tracking. Comfort is a key feature of the VIVE XR Elite. Its perfect weight balance provides comfortable long session use, and the ergonomically curved battery module mounted to the rear acts as a counterweight. The magnetically attached front gasket and eye comfort adjustment with an IPD range of 54 to 73 millimeters allows you to tailor the headset to your own unique requirements. What could possibly be as important as this beautiful device itself? Well, the controllers. The controllers that come with the HTC VIVE XR Elite are specifically designed to enhance your VR experience. The controllers come with a variety of sensors that provide precise and accurate tracking. It also includes Hall sensors on the trigger and grip buttons and capacitive sensors on the trigger, joystick, and thumb rest area, as well as a G sensor and a gyroscope. The inclusion of the Hall sensors and capacitive sensors on the controllers allow for precise and accurate tracking of the controller's movement and buttons. The Hall sensors detect changes in magnetic fields and are used in the trigger and grip buttons, allowing for accurate and responsive button presses. The capacitive sensors detect changes in electrical capacitance and are used on the trigger, joystick, and thumb rest area, allowing for precise tracking of the controller's movements. The G sensor and gyroscope are also important in the controllers as they allow for accurate motion tracking. The G sensor detects changes in acceleration and is used to track the controller's movement in all 3 dimensions, while the gyroscope measures rotational movement in all 3 dimensions and is used to track the controller's orientation. The controllers feature an ergonomic grip button, an analog trigger button, ABXY buttons, system menu buttons, and a joystick. These buttons provide a wide range of input options for navigating and interacting with the virtual environment. They also have an integrated rechargeable battery that provides up to 15 hours of battery life. This can be charged via USB-C so you can easily charge the controllers when you're on the go. Together, these sensors provide a wide range of input options for navigating and interacting with virtual environments, allowing for more intuitive and immersive gameplay. It also makes the controllers more responsive and accurate, ensuring the user's movements are accurately tracked and translated into the virtual world, providing a more realistic experience. And if you want that experience to last for as long as possible, we've got to go for the battery. The HTC VIVE XR Elite comes with a 24.32 WH battery cradle that is designed to provide a long-lasting and convenient experience. The battery is removable and hot swappable, meaning you can easily replace it with a fully charged one without having to shut down the device, providing uninterruptible use. This is particularly useful for extended VR sessions or for professional use where downtime is not an option. The battery is also lightweight and quickly rechargeable thanks to the lithium polymer gel chemistry. This allows you to enjoy a longer battery life without adding much extra weight to the device, and the quick recharge time ensures you can get back to using the device in no time. The battery is also ergonomically designed and molded with a curve, which not only makes it more comfortable to hold, but also balances the weight distribution on the device, contributing to a more comfortable and enjoyable experience. So in this video, we took an in-depth look at the new HTC VIVE XR Elite, the latest addition to the VIVE line of virtual reality headsets. The VIVE XR Elite is a powerful, convertible, and lightweight headset, conforming to your face for maximum comfort during extended use. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, and has a storage of 128GB and 12GB of memory. It features robust graphics performance, high resolution, vivid pass-through capability, and 6 degrees of freedom inside-out tracking. The device also comes with a host of features and software that enhance your VR experience, like the Vive Reality System and Vive Wireless Adapter. The package also includes 2 controllers that are designed for precise, intuitive, and comfortable to use. The device is also available for a pre-order at a price of $1,099, which is on the higher end of the spectrum when it comes to VR headsets. However, the device is packed with advanced technology and high-end features that make it stand out from the competition. It's a worthwhile investment for those who want the most advanced and immersive virtual reality experience possible, and for those who will use it for professional use where the best quality is a must. Do you want to learn more about high-end VR headsets hitting the market? Then check out our video on the leaks for the new Apple VR headset where we collect all the leaks in one place just for you. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, join MetaGen by subscribing now.